Hello, my people. Good afternoon. How na day? I'm doing some jogging now. Jogging. Happy weekend. I'm too happy. Celebration be said. When I know our sister were there for Germany. When they shall send Italian government, not Italian. Oh, quit Italian, yo. German government like kill and with the other with one we do the other way there for a sack camp. Italian social just coming now. They say they won't go carry 3 children back to Italy. They are going to bring back the children from Italy. Make you follow me happy. Una do well. Italian social. There's a social worker saying they're not those children. They want to talk to the children. So I beg anybody will call those people in the camp now. We need his phone number of the German social or the police, please, so that I can give it to this Italian social now. So that they say they are going there on Monday to go and bring back the children to Italy. When I say Italy, no good. Yeah, I'm too excited now to first for now. When I say now, una go say, oh, they go Germany. See now, this Italian social say not those children. He love those children. He said if he talk to the senior one, and the senior one go remember them. So they are going immediately on Monday to go and bring those children back to Italy. They're going to bring those children back to Italy. Celebration. At least those children now, they'll come to Italy. And I talk to the social and I say, I beg immediately. They should activate. I said, please, they should activate immediately. Lula also for their father to come from Nigeria to come and meet these children. He said that will be that will be the next thing they will do immediately. So please, those people that said that the guys in Facebook, somebody should help me to go and look for more information with that name on Facebook to locate the family of this girl, so that the husband we will start doing our own part for the man, so that we come and meet the children. You see, I'm up, we go, yes, so together Gospel Care Foundation. I'm happy, up, we go. Oh my God, I'm too happy for this 3 children. I said, if they go Germany, maybe they let me know. I'm going with them to go and bring those children back. I said, our children, it's not going to be, we are going to take care of our children. Except the one where don't put the head where. Now government go collect the children. Well, yes, so see you guys later in the fall. May I continue my jogging? I'm too happy. And before I forget, I call her Joy when they deport with 3 children from Germany. I call her this point and say, when I call her yesterday, when I not carry phone, he said no one make una donate to, please. No, you report that if you are started donating, stop donating to Joy. He said no one to the money, so I don't disgrace her too much for social media. Please don't donate to her. That's what she told me this morning. Please, nobody should donate. I'm going to delete that account number now. She said she don't need anybody donation. So please, if you have already donated, I don't know, you can keep it there. But she said she don't need donation. That's why she did not carry phone. She even bounced the phone on me. So we don't get problem. Who need the place you want to donate? When I see that small girl, where get a liver. When I see that small girl where get liver failure for Benin, where they ask for help, I go donate for that one. When I see that our brother, when they cut his leg, when his wife get, these people they make me for say there for life and they cut and you go stop. You see the one where wife the girl can't crawl from one breast, he don't enter the other one. Go talk about them on Sunday. I bet those people there are many people that need our help. Well, yes, so I put of one and one maybe a prince in a promise and I'm with your bonnet. So we're going to help the people who need help from us. Okay? So see you guys tomorrow, Saturday, by 9 o'clock. In one of our brothers won't call live video, call ask you help. Because one Benin guy, one Nigeria, no, it's not Benin. Okay. It's for data. September last year, he said this boy make him leave a judo camp. May I come meet her for France. Say go do paper for and do everything. This boy I can't leave a judo camp now. He dealt with this girl now since September. This girl don't carry on boy. They don't shop everything about the boy. Now they send the boy out. You don't do talk to anything for now. This one they give a negative. You don't know what I can get for for France. He they ask me now what he want to do. He still get I do the paper where see the read for Italy, whether make it come. Now I said tomorrow, we are going to hear from him. When they run because of woman, I see myself now. The girl don't use her now. He don't chop everything we want from the boy now. He abandoned the boy. Make una wise. Una when the fair woman where get paper where won't give una. Una go leave Italy. They know they go some and need a single mother. I think this one go be a sample to una now. Well, if you have all of them go and share one by one, don't take time. See you guys later. Make I go continue my journey. Yes, so yes, I'm too excited, too happy. Watch out, bye bye. One love.